Hey guys, Jarrett Vanderwerf, MarineMax Dallas. Today, one of my favorite pieces of inventory I'm bringing to you all is the 230 Premier Intrigue. This boat is beautiful. Look at it. So here at the back of the Intrigue, I want to point out a couple of key features on the Premiers. The main thing being this center tube. This is a 36-inch center log. They call it the PTX, which really allows the boat to handle better, be more fuel efficient. The boat's a little faster, and it also makes the rating as far as your capacity go up. So this boat's going to be rated a lot higher capacity than any other typical 23-foot pontoon. You are going to have your underwater LEDs back here, as well as what they call a ricochet ladder. So if you forget to put the ladder up, you start going, it's automatically going to kick itself up, and there you go. You're never dragging your ladder in the water again. What a cool feature. All right, so this 230 Intrigue is what we call the RL layout, which means rear lounger. This can convert to a couple different seating layouts. One of the ones people really like to spread out, this will just come up, fold it all the way down. That way you can really stretch your legs out, or you can fold that back down and make it into a full bed type. Whether you guys are drinking your champagne or your kids are making a mess, here this actually comes out and will flip over to a paper towel holder if that's what you're looking to do. So as we move to the front of the boat, as you see, these captain chairs are really nice. All of this interior feels great. You've got a really big Simrad wireless charger on the dash. You got a couple other wireless chargers throughout the boat. All JL audio. This boat is going to be rated for 17 people. You do have a power bimini in the rear, so push a button, that bimini is going to come back. We did go ahead and equip this one with a double bimini. Here in Texas, it does get hot. You're going to love that. Another feature talking about it getting hot is in your cup holder on your dash. It's a cooled cup holder. That way you're always keeping that water cool as you're drinking that. And then we've got an add-in seat up here, make it a full wraparound seating, kind of give it more of a V-hole type feel, because that boat does have the PTX, so it does handle more like a V-hole instead of a pontoon. All right guys, at the bow of this boat, I kind of mentioned this fill-in bow cushion here. You've also got your ski locker. With that tube being so big, you've got plenty of room down there to store life jacket, skis, whatever that is. In your phone chargers right here, integrated with your cup holders, which are also lit RGB, whatever, all your RGB colors going on, those are gonna match. Really cool feature. So you've got wireless chargers here, and then you've also got them underneath the seat here. So everyone's gonna keep their phone charged and be able to talk to their loved ones when you're out on the water. You do have an integrated trash can back here as well. Super nice feature. It will come with some additional removable cup holders. But yeah, this is a great boat with great features. Let's jump back outside. All right, thank you guys for taking the time to walk through this Premier with me. There's a lot of other features we didn't have the time to go over. This boat is loaded to the gills. It does have a really great rebate on the boat right now, so it's a great time to buy this time of year. If you're still in the market for a new pontoon, come see us at MarineMax Dallas. This is Jarrett Vanderwerf.